The future is here, and it's all about marketing using artificial intelligence. Thanks to the rapid development of machine learning and data analysis, AI is becoming an increasingly important tool for companies of all sizes. This video shows how AI marketing changes the game, from predictive analysis and chatbots to personalized content and automated lead generation. If you want to get ahead of the competition or take your marketing skills to the next level, AI marketing is the future, and it's just around the corner.
Have you heard of Ayla AI? It's a pretty fantastic tool that can help with all sorts of content creation tasks. With Ayla AI, you can generate blog posts, ads, emails, reports, and even realistic images using the power of AI. It's like having a personal writing assistant to help you create all sorts of content in seconds. One of the best things about Ayla AI is that it can save you so much time and effort in your creative work. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate any type of long-form content, which is great for SEO optimization and provides workflows that support the whole writing process. You don't have to worry about writer's block or spending hours researching and writing content from scratch. Ayla AI also offers 30 languages, so you can create content in multiple languages and reach a wider audience. And if you need some visuals to go along with your written content, Ayla AI has covered you with its realistic image generation feature. You can customize your content to your liking and make it look professional and polished in no time. The Ayla Chrome extension is also a great feature that allows you to utilize the power of AI everywhere. You can write and optimize content directly on emails, ads, and social media platforms. This makes it easy to write on the go and ensures that all your content is SEO optimized and ready to go. Finally, Ayla AI is trusted by thousands of professionals in various industries and is rated 5 out of 5 stars by its customers. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, content marketers, and anyone who wants to improve their content creation skills and efficiency. And the best part, Ayla AI offers a 1-week free trial with 5,000 words, so you can try it out and see how amazing it is. Now let's talk about the pricing and features of Ayla AI. There are 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan costs $29.99 per month and includes 30,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 1 user seat. It offers an AI content editor, Grammarly integration, and general AI writing tools and features, but has limited advanced AI features. The Pro plan costs $139.99 per month and includes 250,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 5 user seats. It offers the same features as the basic plan, but also allows for customized AI tools and feature requests, and includes an account manager and priority customer support. This plan is great for larger teams or individuals needing more advanced features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes 1 million plus words credits per month, 30 languages, and unlimited user seats. It consists of all advanced features, customized AI tools and feature requests, excellent technical support, a dedicated account manager, and onboarding and training sessions. It also offers an AI content editor and Grammarly integration. This plan is perfect for large enterprises or organizations that need the most advanced features and support. So there you have it, my friend. Ayla AI is a fantastic tool that can help you save time and improve your content creation skills. With its various plans and features, you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Have you heard about AI technology's buzz and its impact on the creative world? It's been taking the world by storm, and it's hard not to come across some fantastic AI-generated art. And with the rapid advancements in the field, more and more startups are popping up, eager to bring AI to the masses. One such company making waves is Movio, an AI video creation platform co-founded by Carnegie Mellon alumni Joshua Zhu and Wen Liang. They started the company in December 2020 to make video production accessible and affordable for everyone. And they're on the right track. With a customer base of over 200,000 people and funding of over $9 million from investors like Sequoia Capital, IDG, Gen Fund, and Baidu Ventures, Movio is undoubtedly making a mark. So what's so special about Movio? It's an online video tool that leverages AI technology to help marketers create professional quality videos with text-to-speech avatars in minutes. There is no need for expensive editing, shooting costs, or even prior video editing experience. With Movio, you get everything you need to take your video production to the next level. Storyboarding, ideas, stylish templates, extensive editing capabilities, and professional publishing. And the best part? You can try the service for free. Head to the Movio website and click on the Try Movio for Free button on the home page. No email address or account is required. From there, you can choose from over 200 templates and 80 human avatars to start your video, add your script in the text or audio, and begin using editing tools. You can also upload your images, videos, or music. One of the standout features of Movio is the ability to add a fully customizable human avatar as a spokesperson for your videos. And that's not all. The editing software is also super flexible and easy to use with 20 language options, creative styles, multi-scene video capabilities, unlimited 1080 pixels uploading, and easy video sharing. Now, while you can try out Movio for free, there are limits to the video production time and a watermark will be added. But for $30 per month, the basic plan gives you 10 minutes of video production, unlimited hosting, automatic subtitles, priority video processing, and the branding kit. And for those who need more, there's the Pro plan for $225 a month, offering 90 minutes of video production, everything in the Essentials plan, and access to the API. And if more is needed, Movio also has an Enterprise option that can be customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, Movio is a game changer in the video production world, offering high-quality professional marketing videos at a fraction of the cost and without the need for extensive video editing experience. Although it's still new technology, it's improving every day, and it's worth giving it a shot. Plus, you won't lose anything by trying it out, so why not give it a go and see if it's a perfect fit for your needs? Are you ready for a revolution in your creative ad process? Look no further than Daydream AI, the cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool designed specifically for ad creatives and agencies. Say goodbye to endless brainstorming sessions and hello to on-demand inspiration for all your content formats, from YouTube viral movies to Instagram campaigns, social media headlines, and advertising landing pages. With a user-friendly and tested interface, you'll have no problem diving into AI-generated creativity. And the best part? You can save all your brilliant ideas in custom folders for easy organization and access. And no more shuffling through stacks of paper or trying to find that one idea buried in your Notes app. But wait, there's more. Daydream has been tried and tested by top companies like Google, WPP, Omnicom, and IPG, and has received praise from creative directors, marketers, and communications professionals. So not only will you have a tool that makes your creative process more accessible, but also the peace of mind that comes with knowing it's been tried and tested by the best in the business. With Daydream AI, you can generate ideas for a wide range of content formats, including YouTube viral videos, interactive digital campaigns, Instagram campaigns, and even headlines for social media, advertising, and landing pages. Whether you're working on a project for a client or trying to come up with new ideas for your own company, Daydream AI is the perfect tool to get those creative juices flowing. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use. Plus, you can save the ideas you create in custom folders to easily view and organize your results. And with 3 different project support plans, 24-hour unlimited access monthly and enterprise, you can choose the best option for you and your team. What sets Daydream AI apart is that it uses strategic summaries and learning data based on award-winning campaigns to generate ideas. So not only will you get fresh and innovative ideas, but they will also be grounded in proven strategies and tactics that have worked for others in the past. And the best part? It's received positive feedback from creative directors, marketers, and communications professionals who have used it. From a tour of Ford trucks to a viral film of charming toilet paper to a user-generated Instagram campaign for impossible foods, the possibilities are endless with Daydream AI. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your ad game to the next level with Daydream AI. This AI tool has already generated some fantastic ideas, from 4-track tours to impact campaigns for Kleenex wipes. Imagine what it could do for you and your team. Have you ever struggled to come up with a name for your business or project? Are you staring at a blank page or whiteboard with no inspiration? Well, fear not, my friend, because Naming Magic is here to help. Naming Magic is not your average business naming tool. It's a powerful AI-driven engine that utilizes GPT-3 natural language technology to help entrepreneurs generate creative and memorable names for their companies. The device was created by Swift Ventures in collaboration with OpenAI, one of the leading AI research organizations in the world. The idea behind Naming Magic is simple: to make the process of naming a company accessible and stress-free for entrepreneurs. All you need to do is input a brief product description and a few keywords, and the tool will suggest potential ideas for you. The AI engine analyzes the information you provide and generates a list of relevant, unique, and brandable names. But what makes Naming Magic stand out from other naming tools is the technology behind it. GPT-3 is one of the most advanced and natural language models available today, with the ability to generate human-like text and understand complex language patterns. Using GPT-3, Naming Magic can offer a level of creativity and accuracy unmatched by other naming tools. The team behind Naming Magic includes the founders of TubeMogul, a video advertising platform acquired by Adobe in 2016. They know firsthand how challenging it can be to develop an excellent name for a company, and that's why they created this tool. Their experience and expertise have helped them create a device that is effective and easy to use. Swift Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage companies focusing on AI and data-first businesses. They have a deep understanding of the power of AI and are always on the lookout for new ideas and innovative startups. So if you have an excellent idea for a business and need some help with naming, be sure to reach out to Swift Ventures. They might just be the partner you're looking for. In short, Naming Magic is a game-changing tool that makes naming a company fast, easy, and fun. Its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface make it the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to focus on building their businesses rather than on finding a name. So if you're looking for a way to take the stress out of naming your company, give Naming Magic a try. You won't be disappointed. Have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits, with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easier to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out.